Want to add a new product to your Shopify store from an Android phone? This guide shows the flow using a demo item, including title, price, inventory, and save. With Shopify open on the home screen, use the bottom navigation, tap Products, the tag icon, then tap the plus button in the top right corner. The new product editor opens with Product Status set to Active. The product title field is selected and the keyboard is ready. Type the name customers should see. I am entering Demo Canvas Tote. Use a clear, specific title so you can recognize it later. When the title is complete, close the keyboard to reveal the next details. Shopify may suggest a product category from the title. Below it, tap the price row, which shows FCFA 0. On the price screen, enter the amount to charge. I will use 7,500 CFA francs. Leave Compare at Price and Cost per item empty for this demo, then tap the check mark. Back in the editor, swipe upward to Inventory. Available starts at 0. Tap plus once to change the count to 1, telling Shopify that 1 unit is ready to sell. For more stock, keep tapping plus or use Edit for a larger adjustment. Here, 1 available unit makes the result easy to verify. Before saving, review the details. The product is active, publishing lists online store and point of sale. The title is Demo Canvas Tote. The price is 7,500 CFA francs, and inventory shows 1 available. You can add images, description, or variants later. Tap the top right checkmark and wait for changes saved. Tap the back arrow. Shopify returns to Products, where Demo Canvas Tote appears as active with 1 available. That entry proves the product was created. To recap, open Products, tap plus, enter a title, set the price, adjust inventory, and save with the check mark. Reopen a product anytime to edit it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Android tutorials. Thanks for watching.